Welcome. In this video, we will learn about how to install the Gym library to learn reinforcement learning. I have already discussed about reinforcement learning and how it will be used in machine learning. OpenAI Gym is a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. Gym makes an assumption about the structure of your agent and is compatible with any numerical computation library such as TensorFlow or Theano. Gym is a fun and powerful, but installation can be a challenge. This post will give you a one-line command to install Gym on any modern Mac, reducing your setup time to minutes. You can perform a minimal install of Gym with simple command. Let's open terminal and type pip install Gym. Downloading started, installation completed. So that's it in this video on Gym. Thank you for watching this video.